My name is Corey Pickett. I am not a horse expert. However, I believe I have an intermediate level knowledge of horsemanship. This is my mount for today, Graffiti. She is a great speed and is super excited. Today, we are going to learn how to do two of the most difficult transitions, the walk to the hand gallop and the hand gallop to the halt. Proceed, Graffiti. Walk.